Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both your PC and phone for recovery so the process does not stall. Connect the device with a known good USB cable to the computer, then open Smart Switch and verify the version is current. Once done, put the phone into the transfer or developer mode required by your model. Make note of the backup ID and model string shown. This ensures the recovery tool matches firmware and data, reducing mismatches during flashing and making the next steps predictable and safer. Now you execute the recovery sequence and keep a close eye on status messages. In Smart Switch, select Emergency Recovery or Device Initialization, then pick the precise device model from the list and enter the backup ID or serial if requested. Mismatching the model causes failure. Start the process and monitor the progress and log window so you catch errors early. Make sure the PC stays awake and the USB connection remains stable. If a step appears stuck, wait 10 to 15 minutes before taking corrective action. Finish by letting the device complete its reboot and then verify functional recovery. After Smart Switch reports success, complete the phone's initial setup screens and immediately check key items, contacts, messages, photos, and core apps to ensure the restore applied correctly. If you restored a backup, validate app logins and permissions. If anything failed, write down the exact error code and retry using a different USB port or PC. And make sure the Smart Switch build matches the device firmware to avoid repeated errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.